Welcome everybody. In this video I'm going to show you MYRIAD airdrop. Okay, go to their website and install the Chrome extension and start doing the rest of the work that I'm going to show you inside of this video. So let's get through in their website. So this is their website that I'm going to show you, and here is their Chrome extension is showing up. You can just download it and then click the sign in. Okay, so download for Chrome extension, just click on there, then MyRiad Markets, simply click the add Chrome extension, then simply click on the add extension and it will be added in here. Okay, in this list. If you are using mobile apps, you can use as well Mrs. browser and Q browser, one of them. Okay, so here is I will be found the MyRiad Markets. Let's see what it looks like. Let's get it started. Login. So first you need to create account inside of website probably. So sign in. How do you sign in? I'm going to sign in through Google. Okay, I'm choosing one of them account in here, and I'm continuing without password needed. This is a good way to do so. So sign into your account in the pop-up. Cannot install the wallet. This user does not have a wallet created yet. Retreat. Because I cannot sign in because I didn't sign up, therefore it is happening now. So don't be freak out. I will do it in front of you. Okay, just don't be freak out. I will definitely will show you. Just stay with me and connecting to the smart account, signing in. I don't know what happened. Okay, just let me see what the hell happened. To an account or login you already have on to continue. Probably it will not cause of I haven't any account. They say it you have on to continue. Okay, so later and close it up, create an account. I haven't any account yet, so I need to go in here. Okay, Lambo 100 point, set to wallet, save to wallet, point save to your wallet. So will be three option, click the profile. Okay, now save to wallet. There's a lot of tasks in here. Connect account, connect your Twitter with it. Just simply click on there and your Twitter will be pop up in front in the side of the left, and here is you need to connect your authorize your Twitter. Okay, authorize this app, simply click on there and that's it. Okay, so it's connecting and it's account is connected. Connect wallet, simply click the plus option. Okay, you are probably seeing in here. So connect MetaMask is recommended all the time. Okay, so simply unlock it and connect it with whatever a website you want to connect it. Okay, so confirm it, and then everything is connected successfully in here. So what is the next? So interact with their extensions to be able to earn more point. Okay, so anyhow, simply we'll click the markets option. Simply any of them I will be chosen. Let's say this one, and I don't know, I haven't any point in here. Lambo, so I'm just coming to here, install the Chrome extension. I install it, install the browser, Chrome extension, done. I did it. Okay, MyRiad, login. Okay, this is where I am trying to get into. Okay, tradition. So visit dashboard, claim 10 points. Okay, everything is available now. You can simply display now by any of them. bother with any of them. Just click on there. Let's say 5% buy, confirm. I probably doing this for trading. Okay, buying 21.4 shares of yes, and you have bought 21.4 shares of yes. Market created, prediction close, resolution, everything will be happen. Confirm. So rejection failed, try again. Okay, right. Okay, simple as that. Your point is everything in here. Simply the profile section again. Install done. Connect Twitter with it. Install the browser. So connect Twitter. It will be coming to here. Now simply click the authorize apps and then done. Okay. Make your fast prediction. Simply click on here and simply click the any of them. So simply click the buy and fast prediction would be buy, and it is buying 18 million shares of Texas. Okay, your point would be increased the more you would buy. Portfolio available Lambos. Okay, so probably it makes sense to you how to increase your point, everything all together. And if you want to sell, simply click the sell option. So confirm it. Okay, selling, and you have sold 18.39 shares of Texas. Okay, and simple as that. And if you invest here points in Lambos, make your complete a fast request. Okay, done. Connect to the done. Make your fast complete your fast request. So this is interactive. So we are in the inside of the decrypt. Other high scripture. Market will peak in mid to late March. Former BitMEX CEO Arthur Hayes now believes that the crypto markets will drop out in the middle of March and then suffer a severe correction. Okay, I'm reading this one. March and then suffer from correction. High last essay begins by talking about how conditions for seeking in Japan for imperiled by bamboo known as Sasha. Okay, so you can come into here. It is like it is loading still. Probably makes sense to you how does it is working, everything, and then to say okay, install the browser. I install it. Complete your so 3 tasks is done. Complete first equipped quest. collect. If I do click, let me see where is going to us. So done the quiz. What does otherwise predict? So I'm just copy it and I'm trying to paste it into the GPT for getting the answer. Paste. R2 has a significant growth period. Significant growth period. I've said it, guy. Skin condition in Japan. Skin condition in Japan threatened by Sasa. So I'm trying to get a guy in the last answer from here. Chief Investment Officer. Chief Investment Officer. Submit. Answers are incorrect. Try again. Others I predict for the crypto markets in mid-March. This is a growth period. Former BitMEX CEO, you need to reading it. Okay, former BitMEX CEO Arthur Hayes now believes that the crypto will top out in the middle of March and then suffer a severe correction. So answer if you noticed it here is severe correction, a significant growth period is still like a severe correction. This would be the Arthur does okay. So I copy it and I'll copy it and I'll paste it into here. Correct disable correction. Disable correction skin condition in Japan tendency. Skin condition in Japan threatened by C. Stable market condition. Stable market condition. What other size Roland? Chief Executive Officer. So past or no. So everything is task, you can claim it. So there's a lot of tasks, endless tasks you can do from here. Just do yourself as much as possible because it is totally new and fresh airdrop that you can ever imagine. Okay, same. So here we need to do repost. So done, everything is started down, even reached nearly done. So you can do, it's a like quiz platform I have to say, probably like Glax Interact, probably this would be like this. Okay, so therefore it is worthwhile to doing, and if this video slightly help you to doing the new year of, please do consider to join your Telegram channel and on the bell icon for getting more great airdrop ever.